With Valentine's Day around the corner, it's time to start thinking about what kind of sweets to get your sweetie. Sure, there are loads of options out there, but nothing's better than a batch of homemade truffles. All we do is beat a package of cream cheese until it's smooth. Once it is, we gradually add in some powdered sugar. You're gonna want to do it a little bit at a time or you'll end up with your kitchen covered in a cloud of sugar. Now, we slowly mix in some melted chocolate along with a touch of vanilla. After everything's mixed in, we'll pop it in the fridge to firm up. Once it's set, using a small scoop or a couple of teaspoons, we scoop out small amounts of the mixture and roll them into 1-inch balls. Are you ready for the part that makes these as unique as that someone special is to you? Okay, all you do is roll them in your favorite topping, anything from toasted nuts or sprinkles to cocoa or coconut. After they firm up, they're ready to be wrapped individually or served in a fancy-looking container. Do these ever look tempting or what? We thought they looked so tempting that we decided to call them Tempt Me Truffles. And like always, the recipe's online just in time for Valentine's Day. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a chocolatey way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.